All right, folks, let's dive right in. We had Steve from AKD Built bring in his Mercedes E450 for a full CSP detail. Now, the car wasn't exactly a disaster, but it definitely needed some serious TLC. We're talking a deep clean from top to bottom. First impressions, nice wheels, definitely a sharp-looking ride, but you can see the wear and tear, especially when you peek inside. Seats need some love, floor mats are looking a little sad, and well, let's just say the trunk has seen better days. Time to get to work and bring this beauty back to its former glory. All right, first things first. Let's tackle that engine bay. Pop the hood and yikes, time for the pressure washer to shine. We're blasting away all that grime and buildup. Next up, the wheels. These rims deserve to sparkle. We're hitting them with some heavy-duty cleaner, scrubbing every nook and cranny with a brush. Then, out comes the pressure washer again to rinse it all off. Look at that transformation. Even the tires are getting some love. We're not messing around here. This is a deep clean, people. Even the trunk got a good blast. Okay, let's move on to those sad-looking floor mats. These things have been through the wars. Time for some serious restoration. We're using a drill with a brush attachment to agitate all the dirt and then following up with a steam cleaner. Now for the interior. Time to get steamy. We're using a professional grade steam cleaner to sanitize and deep clean every surface. Seats, dashboard, door panels, everything is getting the steam treatment. This isn't just about making it look good, it's about killing bacteria and allergens too. Check out the dirt coming off those seats. We're even hitting the hard-to-reach spots around the dashboard and steering wheel. This is like a spa day for your car. Time to give the exterior some love. We're starting with a thorough wash, using a high-quality soap and a soft sponge. We're making sure to get every inch of the car clean, from the roof to the rocker panels. Then, it's time for the pressure washer again to rinse off all the soap. We need a perfectly clean surface before we can move on to the next step, and we're even using the steam cleaner to get into those little cracks and crevices. Now for the magic. We're using a power buffer and polishing compound to remove swirl marks, scratches, and imperfections. It's a slow process, but the results are stunning. Look at that gloss. The paint is starting to look like glass. We're carefully perfecting every panel for the transformation. And there you have it. The Mercedes E450 is looking absolutely stunning. The interior is spotless, the exterior is gleaming, and the wheels are sparkling. It's like a brand new car. Steve over at AKD Built is going to be thrilled. From the leather seats to the dashboard, everything is fresh and clean. And those wheels, forget about it. They look amazing. Another successful detail in the books.